In this video, you will discover 11 health benefits of drinking Guava leaf as a natural way to care for your health. Are you looking for a superfood to boost your health and energy levels? Look no further than Guava leaf tea. This incredible drink has health benefits that will leave you feeling fantastic. Want to learn more? Watch this video for our simple recipes to help you include Guava leaf in your daily diet. Trust us, your body will thank you first. You must look at a seemingly ordinary plant used in traditional healing methods for centuries. The Guava tree, but wait, it's not just the fruit that's amazing. The leaves too are equally remarkable at boosting your health. The best part, modern science is finally catching up with what traditional healers have known for years. So today, let's delve into the world of Guava leaves, and you'll discover all the incredible health. According to published research, Guava leaves are rich in essential minerals and vitamins, including calcium, potassium, sulfur, sodium, iron, boron, magnesium, manganese, as well as vitamins C and B. Let's explore 11 remarkable health benefits of drinking Guava leaf tea. 1. Lowers cholesterol. Did you know that enjoying a cup of Guava leaf tea can support your heart health by helping to reduce cholesterol? It works by lowering levels of LDL cholesterol, short for low-density lipoprotein, which is often called bad cholesterol because it can contribute to heart problems if left unchecked. If it's in excess, but Guava leaf tea has been found to effectively lower LDL levels, making it an excellent option for those who want to maintain good heart health. So why not change your daily routine and enjoy this healthy tea today? Number 2. Brain health. Did you know that Guava leaf tea can improve your brain function? It is your second most beneficial health effect of this tea. Guava leaf tea has a high concentration of vitamins B3 and B6, which can boost cognitive function, improve blood circulation and calm the nerves. Try it out yourself and feel the difference. Number 3, Guava leaf drink. May help in weight loss. Did you know that Guava leaves can be used for weight loss? Yes, you've heard that, right? These fantastic leaves are known for their appetite-suppressing and metabolism-boosting properties, helping you to win the fight against weight gain. Guava leaf tea and extracts can limit the absorption of dietary carbohydrates, potentially helping with weight loss by preventing starch from turning into sugar. In addition, Guava leaves, high fiber content, can help you feel fuller for a longer period of time, making it easier for you to achieve your weight loss goals. So if you're looking to some extra pounds, try adding Guava leaves to your daily routine and experience the difference for yourself. Number 4, heart health. Scientists believe the high levels of antioxidants and vitamins in Guava leaves make benefit heart health. This means that drinking this fantastic tea can help protect your heart from damage, plus by lowering harmful cholesterol levels. It may prevent blood clots, which is excellent news for your ticker. And that's not all. Guava leaves are also rich in potassium and fiber, both of which are fantastic for your heart. So go ahead, brew yourself a cup of Guava leaf tea, and give your heart some love when you add Guava leaves to your diet. Your heart will indeed thank you for it. Number 5, drinking Guava leaf tea can help better manage insulin. According to research, drinking Guava leaf tea for 12 weeks lowers blood sugar levels without increasing insulin production. In participants, moreover, it prevents the body's absorption of sucrose and maltose, lowering blood sugar levels. Additionally, published reports suggest Guava leaf tea contains compounds such as flavonoids, tannin, and polyphenols that can inhibit enzymes that convert carbohydrates into glucose. These compounds have been studied for their anti-diabetic properties. Therefore, if you're pre-diabetic or have mild diabetes, drinking Guava leaf tea with your meals could help improve your symptoms. These symptoms include high blood sugar and insulin resistance. Therefore, even those without high cholesterol can benefit from this tea health benefit. Number 6, boosts immunity. Guava leaf tea can boost your immune system. Guava leaf tea not only offers a pleasant taste, but can also strengthen your immune system. This makes your body more resilient and better prepared to combat infections, lowering the risk of getting sick. And if illness does strike, it may help you bounce back faster. The vitamin C found in guava leaves is known to enhance immune function, helping to fend off harmful germs and keep you feeling well. So, next time you're battling a cold or flu symptoms, try sipping on guava leaf tea, and share your experience in the comments below. Menstrual cramp relief. Studies show that guava leaf extract may help ease menstrual cramps. Many women face painful symptoms during their cycle, like stomach cramping. A traditional remedy still used today is a soothing brew made from guava leaves. Drinking this tea can help reduce discomfort and cramping naturally. Guava leaves for menstruation. Rinse about 20 fresh guava leaves and boil them in 1 liter of clean water for 15 minutes. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily to prevent painful periods. Number 8. Stress relief. Guava leaf drink may help reduce your stress levels. Feeling stressed out and anxious can really dampen our day-to-day life, right? But did you know that Guava leaf tea could be your secret weapon in managing these issues? These little green powerhouses are packed with antioxidants that can work wonders for calming your nerves and inducing relaxation. Guava leaf drinks are rich in magnesium, which helps relax muscles. They can also help you manage stress, maintain a balanced mental state, and improve your overall well-being. Number 9. Vision health and eye health. Many people often fail to realize the significance of maintaining good eye health until problems arise. However, consuming Guava leaves rich in vitamin A can help improve your vision. G-leaf drink can help improve our eyesight, prevent the onset of eye-related conditions, avoid eye problems and maintain good vision. So sip towards healthier eyesight by adding Guava leaf drink to your diet today. Number 10. Guava leaf can benefit your hair and skin. Health. Did you know that guava leaves can work wonders for your skin and hair? Yes, you read that right. If you're looking for a natural way to get that glowing skin and luscious locks, guava leaves should definitely be on your list. Let me tell you why. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents, these leaves can help fight skin aging and reduce acne. Also, if you're experiencing hair loss, consider guava leaves a potential solution. These leaves can be applied topically as an herbal shampoo to promote hair growth or boiled and massaged onto the scalp to prevent hair loss. Boil guava leaves in water for 20 minutes, strain the liquid. Let it cool and massage it onto your scalp. This could work wonders for hair volume. You can use it as a serum or mixed with shampoo to rejuvenate your scalp. Our last health benefit of drinking guava leaf is to help ease diarrhea. Did you know that guava leaves can help alleviate diarrhea? Did you know that guava leaves can help relieve loose stools and diarrhea whether you drink it as tea or take it in extract form? This magical plant contains natural astringent that can help reduce the frequency of diarrhea and loosen your balls. It's amazing how the natural remedies that our ancestors used can still be relevant today. So, to improve your health, add guava leaves to your daily diet, crush them in salads. Use them as seasonings or boil them and drink them as tea to make guava leaf tea. Boil a handful of leaves in water for 15 minutes. Add honey or lemon for taste and serve hot or cold. Also remember that guava leaf tea has potential side effects such as stomach discomfort and interaction with certain medications, so use it safely. It's a good idea to talk to your doctor before adding guava leaves to your diet, especially if you already have any medical conditions. This video must include your doctor's advice. Thanks for watching.